Remember the times when I was after you, but I was always afraid. What if your dad knew I couldn't approach you? Yeah, it was funny, I don't know how it happened, but now you're my baby. So I woke up one morning, it was yesterday, feeling kinda scared of what I'm gonna say to your dad, cause I know that he's an old-fashioned man. I gotta be prepared if I gotta ask him for your hand. So, hello baby, can you meet me? It's something important and need your help, it's kinda urgent. So
sorry baby, right now I'm with my mommy and we're all kinda busy and I gotta charge my battery. So, is everything okay?
yeah babe, no biggie, just wanna ask you something to come ASAP. So I'll be waiting for you there, I'm at the cafe. Be there at 3 or just holler at me when you're ready. Clock is ticking, is she coming? Oh shit, there she is. Why you gotta be so cute, girl? Why you gotta be so cute? Okay now, listen baby, I've been thinking about the day where I have to face your dad, convincing him that I'm the right one. Baby, I need some clue, like what words will I use or choose to get his permission to be with you? How will I change his mood? How will I get his blessing if I mess up like a fool? Cause one day I'ma be a man, gonna take over your hand. How the hell will I present and convince him that I'm decent?
He will like a man who has a job, second and important, a man who knows God. And the rest are chunky words. I don't know, parking.
Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes, cause I need it now. And I swear I'll keep her happy till the day that I die. So say yes, I can't wait anymore. Listen dad, all these times I've been scared. Been wanna come out on part like a boy, come by the hair. But cut to the chase, I've been dating your daughter. It's been years, tengah kuat, bipintip nong air. Oh, like slim, I love her with my life. It would mean a lot if you approve her to be mine. Wanna make this official, I'm quiet yelling that. So can I have your blessing, dad?
No.